gosh, I just dropped this on the floor. It's okay. It's okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I've recently been a very naughty girl. Did anyone ever watch that nanny show? Ugh, I don't remember if it was Nanny 911 or Super Nanny or something, but there was an English lady and she would say, "You've been very, very naughty." That's me. I've been naughty. So in the past month or so, I have purchased some new makeup. Oh, which real quick, before I get into this, how did you guys find this video? Comment down below, please. Because I don't know, I'm getting a little frustrated. A lot of you guys are saying that my videos are not showing up on your YouTube feed anymore. You know, the area where you can look at the people you're subscribed to and scroll through all the new videos coming out. And some of you have your notifications on and are like, well, that's the only reason why I found your video. But yeah, comment down below. Did you see this video in your feed? Are you part of the notification squad? Are you new to the channel? If so, hi, I'm Julia. Nice to meet you. But comment down below how you found this video, because like I said, I'm getting a little frustrated. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I know that's probably annoying because I know like all the big YouTubers are saying that, but it really is true. Like something's going on where for some reason you guys aren't seeing my videos as easily, which is weird because I'm such a small YouTuber. Like, I don't know, from what I've heard, it's only the big YouTubers that it's hitting, whatever it is. But anyways, let me know down below how you found this. All right, anyways. Oh, also, another quick little disclaimer. I am desperately fighting tooth and nail for this cold sore not to come in full blast. So I have a brief on it right now. Sorry if you noticed something a little ugly right here. All right, let's jump in. So I ordered a couple items off Poshmark. I ordered a couple items from Ulta online, and then I found some awesome stuff from TJ Maxx. Let's just go into that first. One of the things I found at TJ Maxx was the Subculture palette. So I know this sucker has so many bad reviews and like a lot of people don't like it, but I had never tried it. And I have Modern Renaissance, I have Prism palette, I want to get Soft Glam, but I didn't have this one. And I had been looking for it on sale and a lot of places just weren't really putting it on sale to where it was that good of a deal. But I freaking saw this for $24.99 at TJ Maxx and I was like, sold! And it wasn't swatched or touched or anything like that. It is just as perfect as can be. So I was super, super excited. And I was kind of like, it was like a love-hate thing. I was excited, but I had just bought a bunch of this stuff, I'll show you guys right now, from Poshmark. So I had dropped some money and I'm like, no, I told myself no more makeup. And I was like, all right, these are the last ones. Oh, and I plan on doing a first impressions / trying out new makeup video. I've never done one of those before, but I think I have enough stuff to make one. So if you want to see me use any of this stuff in action, stay tuned because I will be doing a first impressions full face video. So the next thing I picked up at TJ Maxx is this. It's actually a foundation. It's the Milani Powder Foundation. It was $2.99. They only had it in number 7 Creamy Cocoa, which I actually originally thought it was a bronzer. I was like, oh my gosh, I love this bronzer color, but it's foundation, which that's a little hack you guys can do if you're having trouble finding a bronzer. Go look in the foundation section and just get something a little dark. So yeah, I'm excited to give this one a try. The next thing I found at TJ Maxx is the Lily lashes from the Sephora collection. These were $7.99. So many people rave about the Lily lashes, which I feel like they came out with new packaging. I feel like it's yellow now. I'm not really sure. Comment down below if you know the deal with that, because I usually just buy Ardell cheap drugstore lashes. I'm in my living room right now and we have a big window and my dogs are barking. Oh, which by the way, let me know what you guys think. Today, I just felt like filming in my living room with natural lighting, kind of a little more casual. I don't know. Let me know down below. Do you guys like this setup? Do you guys miss kind of where I'm by my vanity with more ring lights and everything like that? Let me know down below, but I figured I'd switch it up. So yeah, anyways, I'm excited to give these lashes a try. Now let's get into some items that I picked up from Poshmark, which if you've never heard of Poshmark, it's basically an app where you can buy and sell clothes, unused makeup items, all kinds of things. And if you've been around my channel a while, you guys know I've bought so much of my makeup from Poshmark. It's like my little obsession. But for prime example, you can get things for so much cheaper. Let's see, which one do I want to get into first? Again, I'll do my most exciting things first. So, for example, I bought the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and the Farsali Unicorn Essence for $68 for both of them, which this guy retails for $65 and this one retails for $54. So I saved 51 bucks. And they were brand new in the packaging, which, side note, this video is not sponsored by Poshmark. I'm just sharing with you guys some ways that you can get high-priced, high-end makeup for cheaper. So yeah, anyways, I know Huda just came out with her rose gold palette updated version, which I've never owned a Huda palette before. So when I got this in, I was so freaking excited, you guys. I think this is the most prized possession makeup item that I've bought in myself in a really long time. I'm so excited about this one. You guys are gonna see this in a first impressions video, which, okay, I'm really sorry, but I couldn't keep my fingers out of it. As soon as I got it in, I swatched a couple of the shades, but it came in like perfect condition. It has the serial number on there and everything, so it's definitely authentic, which that's the only thing you have to watch out for buying on Poshmark is look at kind of the love notes. So anytime you buy something, you can leave a review. If you go on the person's profile, you can look at the reviews that people have left them. And so a lot of times if it's fake, people will comment, oh, it's fake, or even on the actual post, look through the comments because people will call out if it's fake or not, which is really nice. So yeah, just do your research, but I'm so excited about this and I can't wait to use it. And so yeah, the other thing I got is, once again, I know this is such a viral product. It has been for a long time. It's so old. Same thing with this. This is not a new palette anymore. But I haven't tried this stuff. And I still see people to this day on Instagram dropping it all over their face. So I wanted to give it a try. I also really want their Jelly Beam highlighter so bad. I still haven't tried that either, but I figured I'd give this guy a try. Once again, it was all sealed up, had the serial number and everything, so I was so excited to find this. I don't want to talk too much or like do too much with these just because I am gonna use these in a first impression video. I bought these both from the same seller, which was really nice too. The next two things I bought were also from the same seller, which was nice because you can save on shipping. But I picked up the Too Faced Comfort Matte Foundation, the Peach Perfect one, and I picked up the Cover FX Power Play Foundation, which this one is fairly new. So I might even do like a foundation review videos with these as well. But this guy retails for $44 and this one retails for $36, which I think this actually is supposed to come in a box. I'm not quite sure, but it was brand new, unused, and I ended up throwing away the box anyway. So yeah, I paid $49 for both of these, which they would have come out to $80 retail price, so I saved $31. And once again, I'm so excited. I know this one is not a new foundation. So many people rave about it, so I really just wanted to try it, and I was so excited that I found both of these, which this one I got in the color Snow, and this one I got in the color G10. I think this might be a little light, which when you're buying foundation on Poshmark, you kind of just get something close to you, and then I'll mix in different colored foundations to get it the shade that's perfect for me. But yeah, so excited about those. Now let's get into my Ulta order. All right. So the first thing I picked up is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. I never tried the original gold one that was going out. I'm not a big fan of gold highlighters. I know so many people liked it. I kind of am tempted just to get it just to see what all the hype was about. But when I saw that they came out with the rose gold color, I was like, okay, that's more up my alley. Once again, I will be using this in a first, ooh, it's very thick, like thick powdery. It's not quite chalky because it is kind of wet, but let's see, I'll just do a quick swatch for you guys. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I don't know if that's gonna be too dark for my skin, but I don't know. We'll see in my first impressions video that I use this, if I use this. I also picked up the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls again. Okay, so a couple years ago, I did a video, I think it was like Worth the Hype video of products that were super in at the time and that were so hyped up. And this one, I said it was not worth the hype. And I really didn't understand why everybody said it was so good and everything like that. And then one of you commented, hey, if you kind of rub and scrape the top layer off, it works so much better. It's a completely different highlight after that. So I had a little like half highlighter, half blush compact just like this because I had already given this one away, and so I tried it with that one and it worked. I'm wearing it today, but yeah, anyways, I wanted to repick this up. Another repurchase that I talk about all the time is the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I use this for my brows. If you have not tried this and are a fan of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, try this one out because I think it's like $2 and it works really well. This is the one I use every single day. Another repurchase is I finally used up all of my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I get the color Fair, and this is my daily concealer I use every single day, so I figured I would pick up another one of these. Another repurchase is the BH Cosmetics Studio Brow Pencil. I kind of flip-flop between brunette and ebony now that I have dark hair. These guys are like $6. And like, look at how precise and fine that line is. Like, I went back and forth, like, here, let's see. Like, it is just amazing. Definitely a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, but like a third of the price. So if you haven't tried these are one of my favorites. But yeah, I picked up another one of those. A newer item I wanted to try out. I want to try out some new pressed powders, and I picked up the Almay Clear Complexion 4-in-1 Blemish Eraser. It says it covers, clears, corrects, and controls. You guys know how obsessed I am with, like, if I'm going to put something on my face, I want to make sure it's good for my skin because I do struggle with acne. Not so much recently, but yeah, it says it's pure, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested. What is the active ingredient? Oh, it does have salicylic acid in it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. You guys will probably see this in that first impressions makeup tutorial as well. And the last item I got is the Makeup Revolution Pearl Light Loose Highlighter in the color Peach Champagne. Ugh, I didn't realize like I got two pretty much same shade highlighters, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm definitely more of a rose gold white kind of highlighter. Not really into gold so much, but I know loose highlighters usually are a lot more pigmented than pressed highlighters, and Makeup Revolution is really affordable. So, and I honestly have not tried anything from Makeup Revolution yet, so I figured I'll start with the highlighter, and ugh, my hands are so scaly. Ooh, okay, I think this color is gonna be a lot more up my alley than the Maybelline one. This one here is what I just swatched. But yeah, it's definitely lighter. It's not, actually, it's pretty blinding. It's got a little bit of sparkles in it. So it's actually really, really, really pretty. I'm excited to use this on my face. So that'll do it for my makeup haul. Thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to come by my channel. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. If you like these videos and want me to continue doing little makeup hauls, let me know by pressing that thumbs up button. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, morning, afternoon, whatever time it is that you're watching this. We'll catch you in my next video.